Okay. Wow.
That was a long walk to the boats and back. Yeah, the boat ride was fun, but jeez, what a long walk. Yeah. I think I got bitten from 64 mosquitoes, and yet I counted. Oh, yeah. Do you have the Nintendo Switch? Yeah, we brought the Nintendo Switch. Don't you remember? Oh, yeah, I remember. Good. Well, how about you, Scully? Nah, it was okay, The mosquitoes didn't taste me because, well, basically I don't have any blood. Oh. Well, I think I'm just gonna go inside our room and just, relax for a little bit. Maybe, have a nap or something. See you guys. Okay, see you, Leroy. What? Kermit, there's an NES. We can play some video games. Yes, finally. Hope there is some video games like Super Mario Brothers or something. Yeah. Smooth backpack. Alright. Who's got the controller? Yeah, who's got the controller? Well, I think I will get the controller. Alright, Kermit. Your choice. Alright, let's see. Alright. Which game should we play? Let's see. Alright. Oh, there it is. Super Mario Brothers. An all-time's favorite classic. Alright, Super Mario Bros. That sounds like fun. Yeah, let's just start the game and let's play. What a exhausting day. Ugh. We had a long day. We went to the park, we had pancakes for breakfast, we went tubing and boat riding. It was the best day ever. Now she's gonna maybe rest for a little while. Oops. Is that my phone? Must be my phone. Oh, it's Blossom. I'm gonna answer it. Okay. Hello? Oh, hi, Leroy. Oh, hey, Blossom. I'm just, relaxing in the bed for a little while, and then I'll just do something else, like maybe eat something or have a snack or something. Oh, okay. So, how was the house going? What did you do today? Or tonight, if it's nighttime, but yeah, what did you do? Well, me and my sisters were doing chores around the house. Chores? What did you do? Well, we cleaned the tables, we cleaned the windows, we watered the plants and stuff like that. Oh, what about the others? Okay, so Nick was just playing Fortnite while he was supposed to, do something, do the dishwasher. Oh, yeah. No, Nick Wild, he likes to play Fortnite. Yeah, and Link's suddenly in love with Bubbles for some reason. Seriously? Yeah. Oh, what about Mario and Luigi then? Oh, well, they were the cooks. And, yeah. They tried to cook lasagna. Lasagna? That's delicious. Italian food, mamma mia. Yeah. But how Mario makes lasagna is he makes a pizza with spaghetti and with cheese and stuff like that. I tried it and it's kind of gross. Oh, well, did you say it's disgusting? Yeah, I did. And then Mario said, oh, mamma mia, you're so racist. And then he takes me to the bathroom and washes my mouth with soap. What? Why? Why would he do that? I don't know, that's weird. Yeah. So what about the Webkin brothers? What did they do? Oh, the Webkin brothers, they barely even come today. Well, for some reason, they were spying on us earlier. And, Yeah, they know not to come. They lock the doors for us. Oh, well, that's nice. I think I might give them a penny or something. Or a dollar. Yeah. So how are you, Leroy? Oh, we were great. Um, me, Scully, Kermit, and Squirt were outside with this near cat named Captain Gold, even though his real name is Timon, which I know in heart. And yeah, we had a lot of fun. We went to the playground and, well, we didn't play anything. And we just did some parkour 10 times, 5 times, like those kids do in military school. And yeah. What about the other stuff? Oh, the other stuff, yeah. We were on boat riding, and then Kermit has his first time tubing, and then he falls off the freaking boat. That was so hilarious. Oh, it's oh my god, Kermit. Squirt called the captain, and yeah, he saved his life. Yeah, that was so hilarious. Scary kinda. Oh yeah. So yeah, what did you do besides chores? Well, I was checking your invitation, and I saw that you were saw the competition type of thing with the soccer and the race around the map. And yeah, whoever wins gets to eat s'mores at the campfire. Oh yeah. Blossom, thank you so much. I almost forgot. I'll just remind Captain Gold tomorrow, and I'll tell him about this. Oh, okay. And I'll remind Robo Chief. Who's Robo Chief? Oh, he's the other captain of the other team. He's not as fun. Oh. So I think I'll see you in a couple days or so. Yeah, sure. Okay, bye. Bye. I'm gonna tell him. Wow. Look at these little angels. Sleeping as usual. Be ashamed if I wake them up. Oh, I know what to do. This lion Leroy thing has his fun. So I'm just gonna... So cool. What the hell, guys? Oh, okay. Oh, what the hell is going on? Get up, guys. It's a really big day today. Sorry I scared you. Jesus Christ, your air horn app actually was from your phone. My air horn app wakes us up. Do you know what day it is today? No. It's time to go to the Wi-Fi place. Come on, everybody, let's go. Wait. Yes. You gave us this invitation, right? Yes. So, we did almost everything. We went hiking, swimming, boat riding, tubing. But what about to the competition with the wolves and the beavers? Let me think. Those are my eyelashes. Oh yeah, I forgot about the challenge. Thank you for reminding me, Leroy. Or Simba. Don't call me Simba. Your name tag says Simba. So let's just practice these steps, and on August the 11th, you will do the challenge and have marshmallows or s'mores tonight if you win, and then August 12th, which is Sunday, you guys will be free to go. We'll go home. Yes, you will go home. So come on, Chip. We haven't got all day, you know. Thank you for reminding us, Leroy. Yeah, we forgot about this challenge thing. Yep, I hope there was some things I like. Thanks, guys. Yeah, I just forgot about it until Blossom called me last night and told me about the list. Oh, yeah, Blossom. Yeah. So, should we practice? Yeah. Okay, let's practice.
Alright, maggots. Today is the day where you practice for the sports we're doing. This challenge.
Oh, okay. So, now today is leading time, and we are going to lead the sports by dancing like this. That's kind of stupid, actually. What? Nothing. I know. Wait. Yo. Hey. What do you think you're doing? Oh, sorry. I was just reading this Adventures Marvel Superheroes comic. You're not supposed to be reading while I'm talking. I thought you said it was reading time. No. I said it's leading time. Just because you're a deaf, cheap fish. Racist. Alright, let's just wait for the others so we can practice the sports.
Alright, Chief Robo.
My team is here.
Good thing I didn't remember where I did it.
Okay, good. You are just in time. We are about to practice for the sports that we're doing. Yep, sports. And we better not be cheating or else. Okay, so, yeah. Ooh, damn. I think I need to piss. I need to pee. Jesus, I need to shower. Be right back, kids. So, guys, how did you do today? Not so good. Chief Robo isn't fun at all.
Yeah, he hates my cheese. He hates my smile, and he hates my stuff. And he makes us stay up until 1:30 in the morning. I couldn't even sleep because of his strict military school stuff. Yeah. Sucks. I wish we were like you guys.
So you're telling us you guys are not bad guys?
No, we're not bullies. We're people. I mean, the camera guy thinks we're bullies. We're the other team, but no, we are just friends. We are just friends. Yeah, friends. Best friends forever. Yeah. And Cheese is the oldest friend because, well, basically he's Cheese. He could like do stuff.
Yeah. Want to see my smile?
Sure, let's see. Cheese! What just happened? Yeah, Cheese does that sometimes. Okay. Alright, everybody. We're done. Going to the washroom. Now, we just need to practice. Practice. Okay, so no cheating, no eating chocolate, no doing drugs, and no fourth wall breaks, okay?
Excuse me. Did you just sneeze?
What? I was allergic to rocks.
Well, now you have to do 70 push-ups.
Okay, 70 push-ups. 1, tubby. What? 2, tubby. What? 3, tubby. Can you stop saying that? No. I could call you I could call you stuff.
4 tubby.
5, tubby. 6, tubby. Alright. So, now he's just doing tubbies. I'm not doing this. Fine, this is your straw. Alright, everybody. The practicing begins now. Alright, everybody. After this training montage we just did, now all we need to do is do the final challenge. Sports. Well, most likely 4 of them. So yeah, there are 4 sports you have to do. Okay, so the first one you'll be doing is, personally, Timon's favorite, is this game called Bowling Ball. Bowling Ball is the best game any country person ever plays. As you can see, there's the balls, and those beads are the points. As you can see. I don't know how to set them on. Alright. So, say something, Captain. Well, you will be in teams that I will decide. And then, So yeah, Squirt, you will be first seed. Cheapers. Yes, water creature. Cheap. Alright. And Kermit, you'll be against Cheese. My best friend! Yep, just the way we imagined. Alright, the bowling ball begins now. Go! Now, we just need to choose the balls we'll be using. The yellow or the orange. I think I'll go with the yellow balls. Jeez. Alright, so we'll just be going with the orange balls. That's good, I guess. Here's the other balls. Thanks! Now, you just need to choose your color points for your points. Blue is my favorite color. I'll just use this one. Chip. Alright, I guess we'll be using the green ones, I guess. It ain't easy being green. It ain't easy being blue. So, the sky is blue. Yay! I wish I could do that again. Alright, teams. So Kermit the Frog's team will go first. Okay, I guess that sounds easy. Where are the balls at? Where's the balls? Alright. Sorry, this is untangled. There we go. Thanks, cameraman. No prob. Cheese will do in the yellow balls. Alright, you did. Alright, Kermit, you're supposed to use one ball. Okay. Alright. Pokeball. Go! Oh! Knackers! For the first try! Good job, Kermit! Thanks! I didn't know I could do that so far. Damn. Our team is losing. Let's see if I can try that again. Are you kidding me? More knackers. That counts as 15 points. Oh my god, you're such a pro, Kermit. Wow, yes, we won. Crack-a-lacky. Oh yes, thank you so much, Jesus. Yes. That's not fair. How did Kermit get 15 points? Well, I used the knackers. You're such a hacker. Don't worry, team. I'm gonna use my own balls. Then I won't cheat. Are you fucking serious? 1 point? Nah! Fudgicles! I said fudge when I said fudge. Fudgicles! Damn it! Looks like you're gonna win point, Cheese. Shut up, Kermit! Shut up! I know I'm stupid and dumb, but I still get the point. I can't believe my partner's a pro. Okay. Alright. Okay. Okay, how do I get this? Oh, there you go. I wish Cheese isn't such a noob. Yeah. Otherwise, we'll get better in the game. Alright, everybody. We just need to review the results of all of our favorite sports and all of our teams, which is the Beavers team and the Wolves team. Even though it's spelt wrong, but yeah, I guess so. Yeah. So, Team Wolf. Here. Team Beavers. Here. Alright. So, who will win? Beavers or Wolves? Let's find out, shall we? And done. So, the Beavers have 108% and the Wolves have 85%. So that means... Drum roll, please. The winner is... Beavers! The Beavers win. We actually won? Yep. And you won that? No, that means s'mores. We get to have s'mores. We're so close. Oh, are you kidding me? I said if our team loses, we are never doing the teams again. Okay, I'm going on retirement. Piss off. Oh. You deserve it. Why am I the only one getting the bad luck? It's okay, you can have s'mores with us. Really? Yep, just the way you like it. Thanks, Kermit. You'll always be my best friend. Don't mention it. Alright. So when's the fire gonna start? Well, the fire gonna start at least 1 hour or so, big chip, chop chop. Okay. Man, having campfires and marshmallows is the best day of our lives. Yeah. Camping is the most awesomest thing in the world. It's even better than staying home all alone. Yeah, isn't it, guys? Yep, you said it. Yep. This is my first day. Ha ha ha.
I got sicker than a dog.
Yeah, thanks for having us, guys. Yeah. It makes me want to smile. Yep. Yep. It's all thanks to this invitation. Yep.
Yeah. Alright, everybody. Are we ready for all time? Yep, we are sure ready. Yeah, I'm gonna miss this camping place. It's so much fun there. Well, too bad there's no chocolate cake in there. But, yep, it's fun. Pretty fun. Yeah. There we go, we have all of the electronics. The Nintendo Switch, the DS, the chargers, stuff like that. Oh, thanks, Truman. Scully, how about you? Well, I gotta get something first. It's all my rings. Wait, rings? What rings? These are all of my rings. Dude, how'd you get so many rings? Well, I stole them from some little kids. Jesus, wow, that's a lot of rings. Want to put them inside the bag so we don't lose them? Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Alright.
Alright. Alright.
Hey guys, we're ready to go. Now, what are you guys doing? Well, we always put ourselves inside this black backpack just to keep warm. Yeah, but we're stuck because of this backpack and all this stuff. Oh, well, you want me to help you?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Ugh, okay. You're all inside of this bag, so you ready to go home?
Oh, just one more thing.
Yes. Well, I'd like to say thank you for having us, and thank you for having us on this trip. Really? Yeah. You're the best camp leader anyone can ever have. We went to the park, we went tubing, we had pancakes for breakfast, we had marshmallows, we played bowling ball and stuff. I never did. Oh, well, you're welcome then. I mean, thank you for being so thoughtful, brave, and cheerful. Welcome. So, yep. So, maybe next 2 years, we'll see you. Yes, the next 2 years.
Jeez, those backpacks are heavy.
Hey, why just stay there when I could just come with him? Yes, that will do.
Yeah, Okatokes, here I come.
Make sure you just subscribe to Master Gamer 5000. It's funny and it will make you smile. I am Jeremy the Tree, signing off.